Snapchat, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I mean, how are you supposed to choose which social media platform to use for your business? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant. I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before I get into today's video, which is all about how to choose a social media platform for your business, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So this video is to help you decide where you should spend your efforts when it comes to advertising or promoting your business on social media. Now, it's 2020 and without a doubt, you have to be on social media for your business, but how do you decide which social media platform you should focus your time on? There are literally so many social media platforms. I mean, in the beginning of the video, I listed off a handful right there. So here is what I tell local business owners. I say, focus your efforts on where you feel comfortable. If you're comfortable on Facebook, focus on Facebook. If you're comfortable on LinkedIn, focus on LinkedIn and then sharpen those tools. But here's another thing. You also want to take into consideration a social media platform that's going to give you some SEO juice and that's going to give you some good search. So that's why I always tell my local business owners to strongly consider YouTube or Pinterest for sure. Those are two platforms that have really great SEO leverage, and you can create evergreen content on it, which is content that's never going to expire or change. And the third thing I tell business owners is that you also want to go where there is attention. Right now, TikTok is an outstanding place to go to for social media promotion because there's so much attention and so many people can go viral on TikTok. A local or a small business owner, you're not exactly sure which social media platform you should focus on for your business. I would consider those three things. Focus on one social media platform that you're the most comfortable with. Add in a social media platform that's going to give you some SEO leverage, and then add a social media platform that's going to give you awareness and eyeballs on you and your company. And then you sharpen the skills within each platform. So you focus on which hashtags are going to work, which content's going to work, whatever it's going to take to make sure that people ultimately find you. The goal is that you want people to ultimately find you and interact with you and grow your audience that way. And I call social media an audience connector because ultimately that's what it's doing. It's a connector to help you grow and engage with your audience, and social media is a great place to do that. Hope you found that information helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material, you'll be the first to know, you'll be the first to implement it. And if you have any questions about social media marketing, please comment below. Right about now, there should be something coming up on the screen, and I hope those videos are helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video.